from integration channel, and usually I'm focused on integrations, but in this episode I would like to refresh my knowledge, and maybe it will be useful for you, about design patterns, and especially for the factory method. So first of all, what type of patterns do we have in the programming? It's like creational design patterns, it's structural design patterns, and behavior. So the factory method defines an interface and create an object, but lets the subclasses decide which class to instantiate. So if we will ask and look for more information about factory method and its advantages, we can find something like key benefits like abstraction, loose coupling, flexibility, and reusability. And let's go to the code example and create our factory pattern in JavaScript. So first of all, function when it will be like a function that will create a large car, and these seats will be, let's say, 8. Then function passenger will be a function, and that will have these seats, let's say 5. Now we want to create like a factory, so it will be also function car factory. Okay, usually factory should have a create method, so we will do it like this: create is equal to another function, and yeah, it will take the type of the car, and usually we can implement it with switch type, and case when we will return new when, and in case just default we will return new passenger, something like this. Yeah, so we have implemented create method, and based on different type parameters it will return and like when or passenger function with some parameters in it. So let's go and create const my factory is equal to new car factory. Cool, and now we can do like list of cars, and yeah, and we can push few cars, like pull to the list, and then we'll display results. So my factory dot create, and we pass, let's say 1, and do it again. Okay, so let me, and then console log list of cars. Let's see if it will work. Yeah, perfect. So we have created an array with 2 objects with the same amount of seats, and let me just change like a passenger or any other. Yeah, and you see that the amount of seats is changed. So you can also like display some additional parameters, like for example name, this is a van, or this name passenger car, and execute it again. Yeah, it works. So see you in the next one. Thanks.